In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Asana. A guest is someone outside your organization who needs limited access to a project, perfect for clients, contractors, or partners. I'll walk you through sending a secure invite and choosing the right permission, step by step. Start by opening the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google and select your Google account. Once you're signed in, head to the specific project where you want to invite the guest. Open that project so you're looking at its main view. At the top right of the project, click Share. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can access the project and what they can do. In the Invite with Email field, type the guest's name or email address. Asana will suggest matches if the person has interacted with your workspace before, but you can enter any valid email. Take a moment to double-check the address to avoid sending access to the wrong person. Before you send the invite, set the correct level of access. Open the permission drop-down next to the person you're inviting so you can choose how much control they'll have. Here's what each option means and when to use it. Project Admin gives the highest level of control within that project. Admins can change project settings, manage members, and adjust permissions. Reserve this for trusted collaborators who help maintain the project structure. Editor allows someone to create, edit, and complete tasks, as well as organize sections and due dates. This is ideal when the guest needs to actively contribute work. Commenter is for collaboration without structural changes. Commenters can view tasks and add comments, attachments, and status updates, but they can't edit task details. Use this when you want feedback and discussion without edits. Viewer is the most restricted role. Viewers can see the project and its tasks, but can't make changes or comment. For most external guests, Viewer is the safest default because it prevents accidental edits while keeping everything transparent. Select Viewer for typical guest access. With the permission set, click Invite. Asana will send an email to the guest with a link to join the project. When they accept, they'll see only what you've shared and only at the permission level you chose. If you later need to adjust their access, return to the Share panel, find their name, and change the drop-down. No need to resend an invite. That's it. You've added a guest to your Asana project with the right level of control, keeping your workspace secure and your collaboration smooth.